Time for some Wednesday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in Parsons, Kansas with Gianna Allen celebrating birthday number 3. Happy birthday.
All right, and Jackson Campbell turning 5 years old in Fairland, Oklahoma. Happy birthday, Jackson.
And we've got Marshall Kraft celebrating birthday number 8 in Walnut. Happy birthday.
And Gerard Addison Avery celebrating birthday number 10 today.
And we've got Brandon Bishop celebrating birthday number 17. Happy birthday, Brandon.
All right, Jennifer Leager turning 31 years old this year. Looking good there, Jennifer, in Joplin, with love from Mom, Ronald, all the girls, Jessica, and her crew.
And we've got Brian Phillips celebrating birthday number 39 in Pittsburgh. We're re-airing Brian because it turns out, today is his actual birthday. But Brian, you know what that means. You just get to celebrate 2 days in a row because we said so. Happy birthday.
Nothing wrong with that. And Sean Parsons. Happy birthday, Sean, in Riverton, Kansas.
And we got Fern Beasley over in Altoona celebrating birthday number 84. Happy birthday, Fern.
All right, and last but certainly not least, down in Baxter Springs, Lloyd Woods celebrating the big 8-0 today. Happy 80th, Lloyd.
All right, what a great list, and we want to continue to see this list. And we always like to see so many of the photos and everything. Tanya, what do people need to do to get us those photos?
All they have to do is email them to us. They can send them to this email. Don't forget the S on it, though. Birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure you send us your picture. And the day of the birthday is pretty key, too. Plus, you know, your hometown and any special message and your age if you'd prefer as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, when you're submitting those birthdays, why don't you head over to our website and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just go over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.